Hi, I'm Hugh from the Mini Specialist, and today I'm going to take you around this rather special Mini Cooper S. So we've nicknamed this car ASBO. I just think the name suits the car. So as you can see, black headlights, they're genuine BMW headlights. We've got the big scoop on it. We've colour-coded the wheels, and we've got the body kit also colour-coded. Everything's de-chromed. It's got a nice splitter on the back, Unijack rear lights, black badges, and yeah, what can I say? We've made it look what we think to be really amazing. These wheels have been a bit, people have got different opinions on the wheels. I like them, not everyone does. If you don't like these wheels, we can always put these wheels on from this other car. These are flame alloys, they're powder coated, reconditioned. So that's ASBO. Looking pretty stunning. With the hazard lights on, you can see these LEDs do a stripy thing. I'm not sure that's a technical term. And the same on the tail lights. The car has rear parking sensors, so you can see them there and there. So that's the walk around of the car. I mean, on the inside we have half leather, we have armrest, steering wheel controls, piano black there, so the half leather seats, armrest, steering wheel controls. Car's done 93,000 miles just over as of today. It's got a new chain that we've put on, and of course we warranty the car as well. So we give you 3 months as standard, and you can extend it for 12 months or 2 years or 3 years. In summary then, this ASBO, it's a 2007 car, 57 plate, 93,000 miles, full service history, and of course we've made it look unique. If you like what you see, come along, have a go, drive it, see if you like it. I think you will. Thanks for watching.